Hi there. I am providing my Focus on Finance update, my $5,000 investment. It is Saturday today, and I was out and about, and I said, let me go ahead and do this. I was going to do a script, but it's kind of like, let me just go ahead and do this now. I'm going to go ahead and have a look at my account. So the current account value, this is September the 3rd, 2022. The current value is around $3,800. Okay. So let's look at the activity. What's been the latest activity? Actually, it looks like a small amount of dividends, like the money market that is kind of like the settlement fund, got a whole 1 cent and then another 1 cent in interest. So let's see. I don't have any pending transfers. I keep very little in the settle account. It's under $5, so I basically have used all the money I can to trade. Right now, I'm currently at around 60% bond, around 30% domestic stock, and the rest is other. The account for LG Display, the cost basis, let's look at the cost basis. The cost basis is around $60, and the current value is around $40. For NVIDIA, the cost basis is around $850, and the current value is taking a pretty good hit. Wow, it's around $400 value. It's taking a good hit. And the Citigroup, which is the corporate bond, the cost basis is around $1,400, and the current value is around $1,100. For the 21st Century Fox, the cost basis is around $1,800, and the current value is around $1,300. For Fidelity Trend Fund, the cost basis is around $1,100, and the current value is around $900. For the Fidelity 500 Index, the cost basis is around $45, and the current value is around $40. And then I already mentioned I have less than $5 in the money market. There's been a decrease in value of somewhere around, like $1,200 to $1,300. So yeah, that is quite a bit. And with the NVIDIA currently is considered very bearish by the equity summary score, and the LG Display is considered neutral according to the equity score. Now, I buy some of the mutual funds in my other accounts, but this other one is kind of like a work-based account, but it's pretty good when you want to look at the investments and everything. So I'm going to just kind of, let's see if I'm going to get some more information on the Fidelity Trend. So right now for the Fidelity Trend Fund, which is FTRNX, the average annual return right now year to date is negative 29.17%. That's as of September the 2nd. The 1 year average is negative 24.97. The 10-year average is at 14.22. So this mutual fund Inception was in 1958. The expense ratio is 0.73, and the the current price, let's see what the current price is. Let's just say the 12-month high and low. The low has been 108, the high has been 187, and it's currently at $120. So let's look at the top 10 holdings for Fidelity Trend Fund right now. We have Microsoft, Amazon, Apple, MasterCard, Alphabet, Tesla, Nvidia, United Healthcare, Lilly Eli, and Microchip Technology. So let's go ahead and see if we can look also at the Fidelity 500 index, since we're looking at things. All right, so let's just kind of look at what's going on. The inception for Fidelity 500 index was in 1988. Expense ratio is 0.015. That's pretty and the high and low, the 12-month high and low is $127 to $166. It's currently priced at $136. Okay, so and the averages, the 10-year average is 13.06, and right now the 1-year average is at negative 11.24, and the current year-to-date is at negative 16.79. And what they currently have in their top 10 holdings, they have Apple. It's going to sound very similar to Fidelity Trend Fund. The difference is the Fidelity Trend Fund has more investments in their portfolio. It's a little bit more actively traded. Higher return, higher risk. Lower return, lower risk. So in this case, this 500 has a lower return and a lower risk too. So let's look at the top 10 holdings currently. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla, Alphabet Inc. Class A, Alphabet Inc. Class C, Berkshire Hathaway, United Health Group, Johnson & Johnson, Nvidia. So they have quite a bit of Apple. Let me let me compare the amount of Apple they have. In the 500 they have 7.16. And let me see which class of Alphabet that the Fidelity Trend Fund has, because they have A and C in the 500. Okay, so they have Alphabet Class A in Fidelity Trend Fund. They have, in the Fidelity Trend Fund, they have 6.47% of Apple, and they actually have like 10.79% of Microsoft. And they also have 8.06 of Amazon. So in that 500 fund, they have the 7% of the Apple versus a 6% in Trend. That's very interesting. Again, the current value for my $5,000 investment is at around $3,800, and my approach right now, continue to invest. Well, I'm taking advantage of dollar cost averaging when the stock market is down. So yeah, so that is it right now, and just keep slow but steady. That is what you do when you're dealing with the stock market. Don't be concerned about it being down. Just keep investing. And also you have to consider things like your age. Just work with a reliable financial company that has the services of a financial advisor that have a fiduciary responsibility. And what that means is they look out what's best for the client.